The XCN price is currently trading at around 0.019, and in this video we're going to be looking at the XCN price on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, and also we're going to be talking about the fear and greed index. And XCN is still holding up well in as much as the entire cryptocurrency market has corrected a little bit. XCN is still holding up well, ready for the next leg off. The market cap is currently sitting at $635 million. Now, if you're paying attention to this chart, you would notice the price is currently retesting a breaker block. You understand? By the way, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Destroy the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. XCN on the daily time frame. The daily time frame chart is looking clean. There's nothing much to talk about here. Like, I try my best possible to simplify the chart for you guys. Now, this is the area we are likely to get a bounce from, the area around 0.0166. That is, if the XCN price should continue this retracement to the downside, we should get a bounce from here. Now, that was, I think I said similar stuff a few weeks ago when I gave you guys this entry price around 0.0084 to buy from. That was exactly what happened. When we came there, we got a clean bounce to the upside. So let's see, fingers crossed, let's see what will happen here, because if we're heading to the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame is saying the same thing. You get the 4-hour time frame is aligning with the daily time frame for the price of XCN coin. Now, for the 4-hour time frame, this zone, entry zone, is still valid. But by the time we are losing this entry zone, which I don't think should happen, then we should be expecting a price retracement, a price like a reversal pump around 0.012. But I don't see XCN losing this price zone anytime soon. If a retracement should happen to this zone, then we should expect something like this, then consolidate for a while, then pump to the upside, and then retrace, then before sending to the moon for the price of XCN coin. You get. So yeah, that's that for that. My name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Fear and greed index is saying real quick. The fear and greed index is currently at 54%, which is indicating neutral. Yesterday was 61% greed. Last week was 39%. So fingers crossed. I think it has like returned a little bit from the 61% it was yesterday. Altcoin season index is here to move towards the blue zone. By the time these indicators start moving towards the blue direction, that is an indication that we are heading into altcoin season. You get. But that is not happening anytime yet. We are still in the BTC season. For that to happen, we need to see the BTC dominance begin her correction, begin to retrace aggressively to the downside. So by the time you guys start seeing the BTC dominance correct massively, dip massively, and you see BTC pumping a little bit or pumping aggressively, that is a clear indication that altcoin, the entire altcoin market, is going to explode. So that is how we are going to approach the altcoin season. And even if you see the BTC dominance retracing and you see BTC consolidating, altcoin are going to have a relief rally, a relief pump to the upside. But the best indicator we are waiting for is the indicator whereby the BTC dominance will be retracing aggressively to the downside and BTC price will be pumping. By the time you see that playing out, that is an indication that altcoin market is going to explode, and that is the altcoin season we all have been waiting for. Historically, every May of the bull market cycle, we usually get the BTC dominant bottom. Now, it happened in May 2018. It's same thing happened in May 2021. So if history is to repeat herself, we are expecting the BTC dominance to bottom in May 2025. Fingers crossed. Let's see if history will repeat herself. And if history is repeating herself, by the time you start seeing this correction, is going to be massive. It's going to be extremely bullish for our altcoin portfolio. So at the time of making this video, the BTC dominance is currently seated at 64.34%. We are left with 2 days and 6 hours for this monthly candle to close. Now, if we don't unfortunately invalidate this resistance zone, then we should begin to expect a massive correction. But if we eventually end up invalidating this resistance zone, then we should expect the correction to begin from 71%.